What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create that switch. I think it's very simple to create and at the same time it's pretty effective. So let's get straight into After Effects. So for starters we need to type in the words. I'm just gonna grab the horizontal type tool and I'm gonna type in create, then I'm gonna center it, duplicate it, and I'm gonna type in the second word, which is faster. But for now I'm gonna turn off the visibility, and now we need a shape. So I'm gonna head over to the rectangle tool and I'm gonna create one. So something like that should do. And now we need to go to the mode. So I'm gonna click here, and now in track mode we need to connect our text to the shape layer. I'm gonna actually call it cover. And now I'm just gonna open up the menu and pick cover. So that way, whenever I move that rectangle, our text is gonna disappear. But at the same time, we want to replace that text with the second one we created. So I'm gonna go to matte in our second layer, and I'm also gonna pick cover. And right here we have an option to invert the matte. So it's gonna act completely opposite to the first text. So let me click that and make sure to turn on the visibility. And now if I move over the rectangle, you're gonna notice that I'm changing the text. So it's a pretty good option to swap the text, but you could also just use it as a reveal. So I'm gonna turn off faster, and then I could just reveal that text with the rectangle, like that. But if we want to create an animation, we can't remove it manually. We need to create keyframes. So I'm gonna recenter that rectangle. I'm gonna hit P on the keyboard, set the keyframe for position, and now I'm gonna grab the time indicator and create another keyframe by moving our rectangle to the right. So that way we got an animation, but as you can see here, it's pretty harsh. So what we could do here is actually turn on the motion blur. So that way it's a bit softer. We could also use fast box blur, for example, and once we're here we can turn off the motion blur and bump up the blur radius. So you don't really need to use motion blur, pretty much the same effect. And you can really become creative with this. I can, for example, set a keyframe here and also in the second text. Then we're gonna take the second text and put it somewhere here. I'm gonna take the first one and put it somewhere here. Now, as the animation goes, we could move it over to the other side, and same goes for the first text. So now we need to actually use one of the graphs, and let's add motion blur. So that's a pretty cool animation. We could also, for example, take these two keyframes and put that box somewhere here, so it's cutting through the middle. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna, for example, show you the mechanics in one of my animations in Motion Essence Pack. Here it is, switch reveal. I'm gonna open it up, go to full HD. I'm gonna double click the comp, and as you can see here, I got a ball that reveals the text. So whatever you type in here, it's gonna be revealed. And the reason why the ball is revealing the text is because of the cover over here. So if I turn on the visibility, you're gonna notice that rectangle that is following the ball. So if I turn it off, it's gonna serve as a cover for the text one. Alright, so that was a quick one. I thought it'd be valuable to share with you that text transition. So that's pretty much it. If you're interested in Motion Essence Pack, it's down below in the description. I'm really happy that we got already the 5th video in a row. I have a particular number of days to post daily on YouTube, but I'm not gonna share it because I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess it up. But for now, you can expect another video tomorrow. So happy to have you here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.